Hello, digital marketing community. Hello, digital marketing community. Hello, digital marketing community. It's Victor here. So, by the end of this video, I'm going to be walking you through a very amazing SEO tool, right? That is free and can help you with your day-to-day SEO activities and check-ins, right? So, my the name of this tool is called Zulu, and to get access to this tool, all you just need to do is to go to your URL on your browser, Java browser, and type Zulurank ZULURANK.com, right? So with this tool, you can track your website rankings, analyze your competitors, and improve your SEO strategy. Right now, this tool is very simple to use. It's organized and it's safe. Right. So over here, there are over 15 to 20 tools that you can use, right? From Google search to Bing Analyzer to top search queries to index pages to robot.txt to check your robot, check your page speed to crowd your credibility, to check if your website is mobile view supported, to check your link analysis, to do keyword research, and to do lots of things. So this tool is like your all-in-one day-to-day SEO body that you can hold, right? It's quite simple and it's free. You don't need to pay to get most of this results and stats, right? So to get started, all you just need to do, you just need to click on this button here where you see get started, right? And over here you put in your URL, your website URL, right? So I'm going to walk you through all these tools, right? So it's going to be a long series, right? So I want you to stay around and understand how to use this tool for SEO and for you to get best results, right? So for this tool, for this project, we are going to use MPG Digital, mpdigital.com. So you click mpgdigital.com to near Patel, right? So now what? Okay, so let me check HTTPS, right? So in the next section, we are going to start walking through each tool, right, and see how they can help us in our day-to-day SEO activities. All right, see you in the next one. Cheers.